Pinterest SEO, 8 tips to optimize your pins for search. A strong Pinterest SEO strategy is one of the best ways to increase your reach and drive more sales. In fact, SEO on Pinterest is arguably more important than on any other social media platform. That's because Pinterest is a powerful visual discovery engine, where content lives on and gets resurfaced over and over again, for months, not minutes. In this video we're covering how you can use SEO to grow your brand's presence on Pinterest, target relevant audiences, and drive clicks and sales for your business. Let's get started. Why you should think of Pinterest as a search engine. Pinterest isn't a social network, it's a visual discovery engine, and one of the main destinations people visit to find new ideas and inspiration. When a pinner goes to scroll new content on the platform, they land on their home feed. The home feed shows pins based on what you've previously searched and saved. Since Pinterest is primarily built for search and discovery, your content gets a much longer shelf life than it would on other platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. It's important to think of the platform as more than just a social channel. This is where your search engine optimization strategy comes into play. By following these 8 tips, you will take your Pinterest SEO to the next level and drive so much more value for your brand. 1. Set up your profile for success. One of the quickest and easiest ways to improve your Pinterest SEO is to add keywords to your display name. You'll want to use words that accurately reflect your brand, but also help you to get discovered in relevant search queries. In addition to your display name, it's worth giving your Pinterest username some thought too. Your username serves as your profile's URL, so make sure you pick one that is direct, concise, and memorable. 2. Craft the perfect bio. Your bio can be as creative or straightforward as you'd like, as long as you're using strategic keywords. If you're not sure where to start, it's a good idea to draft a bio that explains who you are and what you can do/offer. Once you have a first draft, go through and highlight the relevant words that someone might search on Pinterest to find your profile. If there aren't very many, it's worth going back to the drawing board. 3. Claim your website. It's time to claim your website on Pinterest, and here's why. First, you'll be able to feature your website URL on your profile, which is huge. When you're able to feature your website URL on your profile, it serves as a keyword of sorts, allowing you to be even more discoverable to pinners. Next, it will also help you appear more official, and will help drive more traffic to your site. 4. Follow other accounts to boost your visibility. While Pinterest is more of a discovery platform than a social platform, who you follow on Pinterest is still important. Your following list is a strong indicator to Pinterest, and helps to determine where you'll appear in users' suggested boards and profiles to follow. Following the right people will land you in front of the right eyes, so pick strategically. 5. Publish video pins. Pinners love video. Views of organic video pins are up 240% year-on-year, particularly driven by the food and beverage, beauty, DIY, entertainment, and home decor categories. Video pins allow you to share so much more about your brand story than you can in an image. But that's not all. They're also amazing for your SEO strategy. In fact, video pins are listed at the top of Pinterest mobile app search results. If you enter a popular search query on your mobile device, like healthy summer recipes, you'll see a block of video pins sitting above the rest of the feed. 6. Make your boards discoverable. Pinterest boards are another great opportunity to boost your discoverability on the platform. Boards can also show up in search results on Pinterest, so you'll want to make your board names and descriptions as SEO friendly as possible. Be sure to name them using strategic keywords, as they'll make a world's difference with your board's SEO. Everyone loves a fun or creative board name, but try to add some searchable terms too. 7. Create captivating, original content. The best way to optimize your profile for Pinterest's search engine? Create thumb-stopping content that users want to view, save, and engage with. To capture pinners' attention, it's important to create ideas that aren't just relevant and useful, but also visually attention-grabbing.
8. Create pins with optimal ratios.
If you've never thought about the ratio of your images and videos, you could be missing a serious trick on Pinterest. Using an optimal ratio will ensure your pins display fully in search results, which can make all the difference when it comes to how well they perform. The sweet spot for an image is the 2:3 ratio, or 600 × 900 pixels. Note that the previously popular super long images no longer perform well, as Pinterest can deprioritize these in search results.